Search for open or expired quotes in MaxxTraxx. There are two ways to search for active and expired quotes in MaxxTraxx. The first and quickest way is to launch a search from the main service counter or schedule. The second involves locating and opening up a customer's record. The benefit here is that only their quotes are listed. Service Counter Quick Search. At the far left-hand side, about halfway down, click the Search button. Option number 2 in the middle is Search for Service Counter Quotes. Click that to bring up the Quotes search window. From here, one can search by different criteria separated into tabs which are displayed from left to right across the top. They include customer name, quote date, quote number, vehicle license, and year, make, model. Click the desired tab and input the query into the field provided. If a field is colored white, it is clickable and fillable. However, if there is a locator field present, it is slightly gray, which means it's not clickable for input. With locator fields, one just starts typing. The typed characters will appear in the locator field. Use the backspace key to make corrections. Note, the customer name tab's default search method is by customer last name. However, if the Use Wildcard search box is checked, characters input can be found if they reside anywhere in the first name, last name, or company name fields. On the Quote Date tab, one can input a date range or input a single date into the End Date field, then click the Find button to locate. Using the Year, Make, Model tab allows one to search by any, some, or all of the available search criteria. Additionally, there is an option at the top right to View Expired Quotes. Clicking that box will display all expired quotes in red. Finally, when search results are brought up, double-click the item to open it up or click the View Edit Quote or Print Quote button at the bottom. The other way to locate quotes is to navigate directly to the customer's account in MaxxTraxx. For review, here's how to get there. Click on Customer List from either the Quick Picks Shortcuts bar or the Customer menu item at the very top. Locate the customer's record using any of the search method tabs available: customer name, license, unit number, VIN, phone, or even year, make, model. All of the search options except year, make, model use a locator box, which means one just starts typing the query. There's no need to place the mouse cursor in that box as it's not clickable. Additionally, those same search options all allow one to click the Use Wildcard search box to locate characters wherever they appear in certain fields. Once a customer record is located, use a double click to open it up or click the Edit button towards the bottom left. At the bottom of the customer record window that opens up is a section that lists all the vehicles associated with that account. Find the vehicle in question and make sure its line is highlighted, then either right-click on it or click the Vehicle Options button at the left. That will bring up a context menu. A little more than halfway down there is a Quotes selection. Click Quotes to display any open quotes related to that vehicle. There is also a way to display expired quotes in both the customer record and from the Search button on the service counter. Activate that by checking the View Expired Quotes box in the upper right-hand corner. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.